What is soul plan? What is a soul purpose? Let's understand everything in this video today. Do not miss any part if you were thinking for a long span of time to learn about soul purpose, Akashic records, soul plans, and how your life works. Hi, my name is Sanskriti Sethi. I'm an Akashic record reader, a psychic medium, numerologist, and a soul guide for all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, soul plan is what you make before you take birth to plan, understand that what do you have to do once you come on the earth. Now, the body that you choose, the date of birth that you choose, the parents that you choose, the siblings that you choose, the life partner that you choose, the kids that you choose, the soul contracts, soul agreements, everything is mentioned in this soul plan. So, how much is this soul plan important in your life, isn't it? Write in the comments soul plan if you resonate with your soul plan. When I do your Akashic records, I tell you in that how much are you aligned with your soul plan. So, soul plan is a pre-birth agreements and the collective data of everything that you're going to do 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 years of your span being on earth in the particular body. So this is a soul plan and this is how you create it. Now let's understand more about what are the things in the soul plan. What will be your challenges? What will be your opportunities in life? What are the things that will come to you as your roadblocks and you would require to heal them? What will be the gifts that you will get into your current life so that you can utilize these gifts to the fullest potential to live your life successfully and come back with winning colors? The overall personality theme of your life is the concrete thing which is mentioned in your soul plan. Understanding destiny, free will that exists, as I've said in the previous videos as well, that 60% of our life is planned and 40% is lived to the free will of universe or the destiny, whatever you say. Now, the free will of universe is when you choose whether you want to do or not do the thing that you are looking up to, because that decision is going to decide that how will your karmic debt play a role into your life. Will it be paid or you're going to collect more debt? Now, being on earth, we are all here to discover our soul plan. How to access it, how to know it, everything is there in the Akashic records. Start by taking a pen and a paper and see what are the things that are disturbing you, what are the things that you need improvement on, what are the things that you are blessed with, who are the people who are making your life difficult, who are the people who are supporting you in this journey. Have proper understanding on a piece of paper, make a diary of it. When you will keep writing, you'll see that you are automatically resolving a lot many things. Definitely there's a professional help out there. You can book an Akashic record reading with me, but at home if you want to do something, this is what you can start with. That's how the decoding of your soul plan will start. Maybe you're watching this video for the same. It's a universal reminder. Understand, we are all here to live our soul plan. Embrace what you're here for. Embrace your challenges. Live your opportunities. Encourage the people who are helping you in this journey or even making life difficult, because they are part of your soul plan. याद रखना एक बात, ज़िंदगी में आपकी कोई ऐसा इंसान नहीं हो सकता जो आपको तकलीफ़ पहुंचा जाए अगर आपके सोल प्लान का पार्ट नहीं है तो आपका उसके साथ कार्मिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा, इसलिए आपकी ज़िंदगी में ये तकलीफ़ है. And Akashic Records is here to help you. If you have any such relationship and if you want to share your story, you can write in the comments. More and more when you decode the mastery of soul plan, decode the information that I give you through the Akashic Records, you are moving towards light and liberation every single minute of your life. And that is what is going to help you win the show. Like, share, subscribe. If you believe in the Akashic Records, share it with your friends and family. Write Akashic Records in the comments and see how your past life is going to throw light on you and your life is going to change from here. Book your Akashic record reading now. The link is given in the description box. You can directly book it from the website or WhatsApp our team on the number given below. Write in the comments if you have any questions, and if you want me to make any other video or any other relevant topic, please write it in the comments and I will try to take your question in my next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and see you tomorrow.